Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2024 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice carbonized gray coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by a 2.7-liter EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the FX4 Off-Road Package. We do get rear park sensing with a dual exhaust, tow hitch receiver, your backup camera, mud flaps on the rear and front with gripped running boards on either side, keyless entry keypad, blind spot detection, turn light spotlight indicated Sideview camera, and moving to the front, we got front park sensing, recovery hooks, lock heater, front view camera, and that nice Ford Grille. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does see up to 5 pretty comfortably with this nice black cloth interior, floor mats, carpet interior, plenty of door space in the back, cup holders and storage, rear vents with a 12-volt two USB-Cs, 120-volt with a lovely split-folding rear bench seat. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there, plenty of more door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, locks, spotlights, tailgate opener, lights, parking brake, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 29,464 kilometers. Got this nice vinyl wrap steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Digital speedometer with My View, trip and fuel, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my rear, we got our gear select that is collapsible, storage cup holders, more storage here with some outlets, center console with tons of more storage underneath, drive modes with rear locking diff and four-wheel drive, trailer brake, pro trailer assist with dual climate up front, heated front seats, 12-volt and 120, storage above, below, and on the dash with a lovely powered rear window opener. We got our features for our auto stop, auto start, our 360 camera, park sensing, which is just your park chimes you can turn on or off, hazards, traction, hill, and Ford's BlueCruise, which is Ford's highway self-driving. We got your audio here with AM, FM, Bluetooth, SiriusXM, phone controls, navigation, search, reads, and save, little red dots showing you where your vehicle's been, fave apps such as messaging, email, zone lighting, Wi-Fi. Any apps you may download will show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B8352, and you can head on out to PG Ford or give us a call.